Hello and welcome back to Mr. Adelman's fantastic math class. This video, discussed just one vocabulary word that is going to be pretty important throughout the entire year. We're going to start off by talking about something called congruent, and we're going to start off by referring to congruent segments, although we will see other shapes that are congruent later on. So what congruent means, congruent segments at least, they're just two segments having the same measure. So as you can see, segment AB is 10 centimeters. I'll measure that out for you. And it tells us that line segment CD is also 10 centimeters. And I'll measure that out for you. So because they have the same measure, we can refer to them as congruent. And there are a couple symbols to go along with that. So the first symbol looks like an equal sign, and then on top of it is this sort of squiggly line. So that is the symbol that means congruent. And how we would say that is congruent too. So in this case, we would say that line segment, and notice I'm putting we're not talking about the measures. The measures are equal to each other, but we're saying that the line segment is in fact congruent to line segment CD. This is comparable to saying that both Joey and Susie are the same height. AB is congruent to segment CD. One more important thing that we'll notice, and it says here that red slashes on the figures indicate that the segments are congruent. So what that means is if you see in the book something that looks like this, it tells you that line segment AB is in fact congruent to CD, even if they don't give you measures. They could do one slash, and they could do two or three or however many slashes they need to differentiate from one line segment to the other. So that's all we have for congruent segments. Please make sure you understand this is a very important concept. You'll see it throughout the entire year. So if you have any questions, please ask me either on my blog or in class. Thank you very much. Have a great day.